Hello, welcome back to our English Conversation series. Before we dive into today's library conversation, don't forget to download our free app for more engaging English practice sessions. You can find the download link in the description below or in the first comment. At the end of the video, you will find the vocabulary used in this video.
Good morning.
Good morning. How may I help you?
I'm new here. How do I check out books to read?
Bring your student ID to borrow books.
So, how many books can I borrow at once?
5 books at a time.
For how long can I borrow these books?
You have 42 full days to keep the books.
I'd like to renew my books, but it's been 42 days. Is that possible?
Sure, but renewals are limited to once per semester.
I am grateful for your assistance.
You're most welcome.
And that's a wrap for today's library conversation. Remember, practicing English doesn't have to be daunting. With our app, you can improve your language skills while having fun with friends. Now, let's go over some of the vocabulary words and their meanings we used in today's conversation. ID, a document, such as a card, bearing identifying information about and often a photograph of the individual whose name appears on it. Borrow, to take or receive something with the promise or intention of returning it. Renew, to extend the borrowing period of something. Semester, one of the periods into which a year is divided at a college or university. Assistance, means help or support. It's the act of making a task or situation easier for someone else. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to download our app. Like, share, subscribe and comment on our channel for more fresh and engaging English conversations.